Hi, this is James Chen and I'm here with Ed Naira. We're both from Mitsubishi Electric, and this afternoon we decided to show you how to use color management for color matching on computers like Windows or Macintosh. So Ed's going to show us how to do that.
Okay, well, what we have here is pretty much in Windows and Macintosh is the logic is be able to attach a hardware with a ICC profile. And ICC profile are all located in our website. You go to our downloading drivers and select the printer that you want to select.
So before that, Ed, our website is www.mitsubishi-imaging.com, right? And that's basically our website where they go to download the profile you're talking about.
Yes.
And in our website, you will see that you could go to the drivers and downloads, and once you're in that tab, you could scroll down, and there'll be an ICC profile which you download.
Yeah. If you haven't downloaded already, all you need to do is click download, and it will provide you the profile, and then you save it. In this case, I save it in my desktop, and first of all, it's a compressed file because it's a large file and there's 3 files in it. Once you uncompress it, it's going to come out with a CPD FST ICC, so, and that stands for fine, SF for superfine, and UF for ultrafine. And these are different ICC profile depending on the printing mode. So for this case, let's just use one profile name, and what you do is right click and install that profile, and this allows it to Windows to move this file in a particular folder that when you bring up color management on your application, it knows where it is. So in this case, if we open up some images, and let's say this is a Windows viewer. So if I double click this and I do a print function, we have a option button on the lower right hand corner, and here we have color management. From here, this is a standard Windows interface that allows you to select which printer that you have that you want to use the color profile. As you can see here, I have lots of Mitsubishi printers, and let's just select a CPD 70, and I want to use a default setting, so, and add a profile. This is where the folder where the ICC profile was loaded by doing an install. So if I scroll down, and here are all my ICC profile. For this example, I was using this particular setting, and I say OK, and what happened is it's going to provide me that list. I can add the other 2 profiles by adding the button and finding that other profile again. But in this case, since I didn't install it, I only have 1. But you could do the same thing for the rest of them. So now, anyway, I've associated this ICC profile to this printer. And that's the first step you need to do. And you say, then the next thing you need to do is talk to our printer driver that you're letting it know that under option we want to use color matching. And remember I told you about 3 different type of profiles. We have 3 different settings here that allows you, or 4 different settings that allows you to select the right profile depending on your mode of operation. In this case, I downloaded the fine standard profile, so I have to use that mode. Click OK, and then from there on you print. On other applications such as Adobe Photoshop, I'll bring up this image here. They have a different interface. In this case, they have a print function here that allows you to use color management or output. Output means use the printer driver, but most cases they use color management, and it says color handling here. This color handling is do you want me to handle it by the printer or by Photoshop? So that's your preference. In either case, you still have to use the same profile we provided or that you have downloaded.
And installed.
And
which
installed.
You previously downloaded and
Yes.
installed.
So in this case, here you have printer profile, and of course we will use the Mitsubishi D70 in this case, which is
Okay.
associated with the printer. And then from there you can also do the print, and the print output should come up pretty close to what the screen is. Again, it's not going to be identical because monitor is an RGB device, which is additive colors, and printed are subtractive because it's CMYK, and also depends on the environment of what the hue of your light source is, because it's a reflective.
I see. But nonetheless, for all other printers, whether it's CPD70 or any of our other devices like CPD707 or even the new K60, this is the same process right?
It is identical workflow that you have to go through to get your profile associated with that hardware. The key here is you need to match the model with
Your
the
printer.
printer.
I see. Now, there you go. There you go, direct from Mitsubishi, Ed Nahara, from our engineering group. You just learned how to use color management and color matching for our printers. Thank you.